This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable location services in Zorin OS. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To enable or disable location services, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to my little system tray area. I'm going to click in there. Then I'm going to go up to that little gear wheel right there. I'm going to click on that gear wheel. That will open up the settings dialog box. And in the settings dialog box, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on privacy. Then on the left side pane, you want to click on location services. And as you can see, by default, your location services are probably turned off. But right up top here, there's a toggle. If you toggle this on, now location services are enabled. If that's toggled on, location services are enabled. It says location services allows applications to know your location. Using Wi-Fi and mobile broadband increases the accuracy. Turn it off, just toggle that off right there. That is how to enable or disable location services in the Zorin operating system. Thanks for watching.